Something strange is happening on the soccer field. Nobody is paying attention to it. But once you see it, you can't unsee it. The numbers don't make sense. Every year, millions of fans watch the game. They talk about defenders, midfielders, strikers. They think they know what these words mean. They're wrong. Or rather, they've been told a story that's been repeated so many times, no one thinks to question it. But we're going to question it. Because the truth about soccer positions isn't what you think. It's not about where you stand. It's about power. Most people think football positions are simple. Goalkeeper stops goals, defenders defend, midfielders connect, strikers score. That's what everyone believes. That's not what's happening. Here's the contradiction. If positions are so clearly defined, why do the best players in the world, players like Lionel Messi, Kevin De Bruyne, or Jude Bellingham, seem to play everywhere at once? They aren't breaking rules. They're exposing the lie. The lie that positions are real, fixed categories, rather than what they actually are. Negotiations of space. And here's where it gets weirder. There's a hidden psychological system operating beneath the surface of every team. A system that determines who gets to be creative and who gets to be disciplined, who gets freedom, who gets blame. And it's not based on talent.
Here's what we know. There are 11 players on a soccer team. Traditionally, they're divided into 4 categories: goalkeeper, defenders, midfielders, forwards. Within these, there are specialist roles. The goalkeeper, the only player who can use their hands, last line of defense, usually wears number 1. Center backs, tall, physical, win headers, break up attacks, typically wear 4 and 5. Fullbacks, left and right, defend the flanks, but also attack the flanks. Wait, that's already confusing. Midfielders, the engine room, link defense to attack. Central, defensive, attacking, pick your flavor. Wingers, speed on the outside, cross the ball, sometimes cut inside, sometimes become strikers. Strikers score goals, lead the line, the glory position. Seems straightforward, right? But that raises a bigger question.
If these positions are so clearly defined, why is everyone arguing about them? Why do coaches spend billions of dollars trying to find players who can play multiple positions? Why is the most valuable thing in modern soccer not a player who's brilliant at one thing, but a player who can do everything? Here's the mystery. What if positions aren't about skills at all? What if they're about something much more fundamental? Something invisible. Something that determines everything about how the game is played, who gets paid, and who gets remembered.